In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove email address on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. On menu, tap at that gear to head over to settings and privacy. And then tap right here to go to Meta Account Center. That's where we need to tap at personal details, and at the very top here we can find our contact info. That's where we can find all our contact information, all of the emails and phone numbers associated with that Meta Account Center. We can have here multiple emails and multiple phone numbers. And then to remove your email from here, you need to get into it. And down below, hit at delete email. And then to continue, hit at delete. Keep in mind that you have to have here at least one email and a phone number to be able to log into your account and to get verification codes. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.